In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a form in Typeform step by step. If your workspace is getting messy, or you simply don't need an old form anymore, deleting it is a quick way to stay organized and keep only what matters. First, open Typeform and go to your main workspace where all your forms are stored. This is the dashboard where you can see every form you've created. Now, look for the form you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check it, because once a form is deleted, it may not be easy to recover. Next, find the three-dot menu next to the form name. Click on it to open additional options for that form. From the menu, select the Delete option. Typeform will usually ask you to confirm your action to make sure you don't delete anything by mistake. Once you confirm, the form will be removed from your workspace and moved to the trash or permanently deleted, depending on your account settings. If your form goes to trash instead of being permanently deleted, you may still have a chance to restore it within a limited time. So if you change your mind, check the trash section before it's gone forever. It's always a good idea to be careful when deleting forms, especially if they contain important data like survey responses, customer information, or leads. Before deleting anything, you can also duplicate the form as a backup. That way, you still have a copy saved in case you need it later. To stay organized in the future, try naming your forms clearly and grouping similar projects together. This reduces the need to delete forms frequently. Once you've cleaned up your workspace, it becomes much easier to manage active forms and find what you need quickly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a form in Typeform and keep your workspace organized. And that's how you delete a form in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.